Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are into dropshipping and want to connect CJ dropshipping to your Amazon store, this video is for you. I will walk you through the full setup in 2025 from account linking to product import and fulfillment. Let's jump right in. CJ dropshipping is a popular platform that connects you with suppliers who handle sourcing, warehousing, and shipping. Similar to AliExpress, but faster and more business friendly. The best part, you can connect CJ to Amazon Seller Central and automate product fulfillment. Before you begin, make sure you have the following ready: an active Amazon Seller Central account, a verified CZ dropshipping account, Amazon MWS or SP API access, a professional selling plan or on Amazon, not the individual plan. If you are just starting out, make sure your Amazon account is fully approved and not in verification. Now let's connect your Amazon with CJ. Go to cjdropshipping.com and log into your account from the top menu on CJ. On my CJ, head to authorization, then Amazon. I need to register first. From the top menu, click on my CJ, head to authorization, then click Amazon. From here, click the add store button. You will redirect it to Amazon's authorization screen. Log into your Amazon Seller Central and grant CJ Dropshipping access to manage orders and inventory. Once connected, CJ can sync your order and push tracking number automatically. Next, you need to import or connect products from CJ to Amazon. You can do this two ways. Option 1, push products to Amazon. First of all, find a product on CJ. Click list, choose Amazon as the platform, edit title, description, and price, and submit. It will auto list in your Amazon seller account. Option 2, connect to existing Amazon listings. Go to my products in CJ, click connect. Next to a product, choose your Amazon store, paste the ASIN or listing URL of your existing Amazon product, map the SKUs and various variants correctly. This mapping ensures CJ can fulfill the exact item when someone buys from your Amazon store. Once your products are linked, you can configure how orders are fulfilled. Go to my CJ from CJ dropshipping account dashboard, or then orders, fulfillment. Enable auto ordering to let CJ handle orders automatically. Choose preferred shipping methods and set shipping times. You can also request private inventory or custom branding if needed. Use US use US warehouse products from CJ if you want faster shipping for Amazon customers. Now, when a customer places Now, when a customer places an order on your Amazon store, the order is synced to CJ. CJ processes uh, and ships it. A tracking number is pushed uh, back to Amazon automatically. You can monitor everything in your CJ order dashboard. CJ also supports POD, print on demand, packaging, customization, and warehousing if you want to scale. To warp it up, here's a few tips. Use fast shipping suppliers to avoid Amazon account issues. Always test order products before listing them. Keep your Amazon metrics healthy. Late shipping or wrong tracking can lead to suspension. Stay compliant with Amazon's dropshipping policy, and that's how you connect CJ dropshipping to Amazon in 2025. If so, recap. First of all, go to my CJ, then authorization, Amazon, then add store. Then set up fulfillment settings, and that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.